Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Digital Logic Design. In today's class, we are going to learn the conversion number system. So we are going to convert a decimal number into binary, octal and hexadecimal. Okay, so let's take the problem. Convert 924.46 of decimal number into binary, octal and hexadecimal. So let's see one by one conversion. So let's take first 924 into 0.46 of the decimal number and let's convert that into binary. Okay. So in order to convert that into binary, first consider the bits or the numbers which are before the point. Okay. So let's do the LCM with 924. So we have 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. We have nothing left, so 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 5s are 10. We have 1 left. 2 5s are 10, 11, 2 7s are 14, 1 left. 2 2s are 4, 1. 2 8s are 16, we have 1 left. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, we have 0 left. 2 7s are 14, we have 0 left. 2 3s are 6, we have 1 left. 2 1s are 2, we have 1 left. Okay. So what will be the answer? So the answer what we got is 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. Okay. Now let's see the number after the decimal point. 46, right? 0.46. Now let's do the operation with this. So 0.46 into 2. Okay, as we are converting it into binary, we need to multiply with 2. So what is the answer we get? 0.92. Okay. So whatever the number we got before the point, write it as it is. And whatever the number we got after the point, again multiply with 2. 0.92 into 2. The answer what we get is 1.84. So before the point what we got is 1. And again 0.84 can be multiplied by 2. Okay. So somewhere around 1.64 what we get. And again before the point what we have is 1. So 0 1 1 is the value what we got after the point. Add that particular value after this binary data 0 1 1. So this is our answer. So let's conclude the answer. 924.46 of decimal number is equal to 11100 11100.011. So this is our answer. Now let's see the conversion of into octal numbers. Okay. So the given number is 924.46 with respect to decimal number should be converted to the octal representation. Okay. So for this, whatever the numbers are there before the point, do the LCM with 8, as we need to convert that into octal representation. So 8 ones are 8, again 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 we have, 8 5s are 40, and 4 is left. Next, 8 ones are 8, 8 4s are 32, 3 what left? 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6 is what left. So what is the answer? 1, 6, 3, 4. Okay. This is the value what we got for doing the LCM. Next, take the decimal number with 0.46 after the point and multiply with 8. So the answer what we get is 3.68. Okay. What is the value before the point? 3. Write it aside. And after the point, 0.68, right? 0.68 into 8. Okay. So 0.68 into 8 will be 5.44. So the value will be 5. Again, take the values after the point. 0.44 into 8. So the answer will be 3.52. Take the value 3 and conclude it. So all these 3 numbers, you can do up to 3 operations. The answer what we got is 353. Okay. Now let's conclude the answer. 924.46 with decimal number is giving the value 1634.353 of octal number. This is how to represent the octal representation conversion. Now let's see the hexadecimal part. Same number, let's take 924.46 of decimal part to be converted into hexadecimal. Okay. So take the numbers before the point, that is 924, and do the LCM with 16. Okay. So 16 5s, what we get is 80, and we have 12 left. And 16 7s are, what we get is around 112, and we have 12 left. 16 3s are 48, and what we have is 9 left. So if you combine all this, the answer what we get is 3, 9, 12. But the 12 can be written as C in hexadecimal, right? So the answer will be 39C. Okay. Now, let's see the value after the point. 0.46 into 16. The answer what we get is 7.36. Okay. So write down the value before the point, that is 7. And the value after the point, 0.36, multiply with 16 again. So 0.36 into 16 will be 5.76. Okay. Take the value 5. Again, multiply 0.76 with 16. So it will be around 12.16, and take the value 12. You can do up to 3 operations. So 3 operations will be sufficient for the number against the decimal point. So what is the value we got? 7, 5, 12. Okay. So 12 can be written as C, right? So the answer will be 7, 5, C. Okay. So if you see the combination, combining these two, let's conclude the answer. 924.46 with respect to decimal format is converted to hexadecimal. So the hexadecimal will be 39C.75C of hexadecimal.